Hello everyone, this is me Sakya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what are the current energies of your person, whoever it is that you're dealing with. We're going to tap into their current energies. We will also see what are they feeling for you, what are their messages for you, and then we will also pull oracle guidance as well. So stay tuned, and before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well. So yeah, let's see. What are the current energies of your person, whoever it is that you're dealing with? Let's see, what is the two most dominant thoughts of your person right now? Let's see. The Wheel of Fortune, paired up with Six of Cups. I feel like, there is a lot changing in your person's life. Like, it seems like, they are going through some sort of a whirlpool of emotions, situations. They might be in that, in that phase of their life where there is a lot of change coming up for them, personal, individual, in their family, in their work scenarios. A lot is changing. They are dealing with a lot of shifts happening for them, but at the same time what stays with them is that they are missing the old times, be that spent with you or be that otherwise as well in their life. They are definitely missing the old times. They are missing the good times. They are missing, maybe for some of you, maybe they are traveling away. Now if that's the case, if your person is traveling away, they really are, getting nostalgic about, leaving where they are currently. So I feel like, there's a lot of shifts coming in for your person, or it's already happening right now. But yes, the only thing that stays with them is the memories of the past, and what they are thinking about of a specific someone. It can be a family member as well, it can be you as well. Let's take cards. How do they feel about you? What are their energies towards you, towards the connection that they have with you? If it's you for them, then definitely they are really missing you bad, and something has changed within them about you and for you. So let's see. What are their thoughts, feelings, and emotions for you? Whoever it is that you are checking this read for. What are their feelings, thoughts, and emotions for you? The Moon. This person really miss you exactly the way you miss them. This person is mirroring you in each and every aspect. Like, you really want this person, they want you to. You really want them to take the first step towards you, they want the same from you. So I feel like, there is the, this person really does miss you. But at the same time, I don't see them taking action towards you as of now with this card only. I do see that they are thinking about you. They are thinking and missing the good memories that they had with you. So they most of the time, when they have time, that's what they have on their mind, the past that you spent together, and they are missing the past and you in a positive way, not about the fights, not about the negative thoughts that they might have had earlier. I feel like, things are changing, things are shifting for the better of this connection between the two of you, and for your person especially when it comes to you, how they see you, how they see this connection with you. Then we do have Seven of Pentacles. I feel like, your person is now getting prepared to put some effort. They are now feeling ready to do what they needed to do earlier as well. For some of you, maybe your person really believes that this could be the last chance that they are giving into this connection. For some of you, maybe it's that this person is readily, thinking to give this connection another chance. Why? Because they miss you, because they love you, because they have feelings for you. They believe that this connection is something special. They don't want to give up on this connection, so they really want to try their luck one last time, is what I'm picking up. Let's see, what else do we have? The Queen of Cups. Yes, this person really has a lot of love for you. They cannot think of leaving this connection behind. They really want to give it last try, last chance, last try, last chance. So they might have been doing the same towards you earlier as well, where they said, okay, fine, I'm giving it a last chance, let's see where it goes. Then maybe if it ended, and they are ready to give it another chance again. So I feel like, this person really want to see where this connection can go, and they are believing in this connection so deeply. I feel like, this person has a realization now around this connection, that this is a soulmate connection. It's not going to end that quick or easy. Let's see, what are their secret messages for you first. Let's see, what do they secretly wish to tell you? What is it that they secretly wish to tell you? What is it that your person secretly wish to tell you? Page of Cups, they really want you to know that they have love for you, which they might not be expressing right now. They are thinking about you. Let's see what else do they want you to know. Eight of Swords. They really want you to know that they do have love for you, but at the same time they don't feel like pursuing this connection with you. Why? It can be their mental blocks, it can be their emotional blocks when it comes to this connection. I feel like, in that situation, if you also have that awareness that your person has some mental blocks around this connection, you can start using affirmations and scripting around the situation so they get heal from their mental and emotional blocks and come forward, express their love, feelings, emotions openly and honestly. Let's see what else do they want you to know. They believe that this connection is beautiful that they have with you. They really feel love for you, they really love being with you, but at the same time they feel like they cannot pursue this connection. Why do they see it hard? For some of you with the Hierophant, maybe they do believe that there are so many differences between the two of you. Maybe they believe you both are so different than each other in terms of family, in terms of religion, in terms of location, maybe something which is against the norms of the society, something like that could be the reason. But yes, I feel like they really feel that this cannot be done. That is again a mental block. It's not like something that they cannot make it work. It can be worked, but at the same time your person has their negative mindset around it. They feel that it cannot be done, it is not possible. In actuality it is possible if they want it. So I feel like your person really want you to know that they have a strong feeling that they are yours, but at the same time they don't know how to come about it, like how to make things work in this connection. And that's the only reason why they are not taking any step towards you. They are thinking about you, they want to make it work, but they don't know how to do that. Under the deck we do have Six of Wands. I feel like this person really wants you to know that they want to make it work and they will succeed in that. So just be patient with your person and they will be coming forward with what they need to come forward with, be that a commitment, offer, taking stand for the connection, whatever it is that they have to do on their part, they will be doing so. So we do have a message. I hide behind material things. I feel like a person is somebody who's very practical and they usually don't express openly. I want to feel that way again. This person really wants to feel the love that you used to give to them. They really want to feel loved again, but at the same time right now the situation seems kind of not favorable. I still love you unconditionally. This person really does love you a lot, but at the same time they feel that it cannot be done because they don't see it they believe with the Hierophant, it seems like they believe that it's something that society will not accept. I don't know why do they have that kind of feeling around it. Wish I could unsay a few things I said and did. So there is something maybe your person really wished to undo when it comes to this connection. Maybe it's the breakup that happened. Maybe it's a situation that you are dealing with your person right now. Maybe they have said something that they don't want. When they think of the two of you, they feel bad for saying those words. So there are things that they wish they could undo. They could unsay those words. But yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys. What is the oracle guidance? Be supportive, make a genuine effort to show you care. It can be a message for you, it can be a message for your person as well. I feel like you both have to support each other in each and every way. So maybe you need to be more expressive to let the person know that yes you care, and yes you know if they did something wrong, maybe you can forgive and forget them for what they did, and embrace them the way you want to embrace them, because I do see a mutual feeling there where you both want the connection to be moving forward, but then there are some mental blocks stopping this connection. But yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share and subscribe. If you're willing to purchase any of the personal services that I offer, check the description box for further details on that. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.